Reckless retiree here with a idea had to take out the magnetic particles that are in my sample. I've been using the technique of taking this magnet and putting it underneath this cap of the filters, and then putting some of the material in there and shaking it around, dumping it out, and then I'll have the magnetic left. But to go through a lot of sample, that's obviously very tedious. So I had this idea. Maybe it's not my idea, maybe it's not online, it's hard to say. But I have this sample of material, and I'm going to, first of all, try to find a place to put it. All right, I have this cup. It's empty now. And I'm going to put it on the scale. When I start the scale, then it will be 0, in other words, tearing out the cup. All right, so now I'm going to pour this in there with the help of the funnel. All right. So this weighs 1.989 ounces. 1.8, no, it is 989. 989 ounces is the initial sample. All right, so now I am going to pour it down the magnetic tube slowly. Okay. Now I have this other empty container. I'm going to put the tube in. And I'm going to take this and empty it back into this cup. Okay, and now I will weigh it again, and it is the same weight. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to take off these magnets. Very little. So that didn't really accomplish the goal. Another thing I could do is I can put all the magnets all on one side and then lean the tube so that therefore when it slides down it have to be on the side of the magnets. That's crazy. All right, I'm going to try one more time with all the magnets on the one side, like I did that last time, but I poured it straight down the tube. This time, I am going to lean it like that. again, the funnel. Again, I will slowly pour this down. Okay. Now I will okay, 1.982, so that means I have 7/100ths of an ounce, or 7/1000ths of an ounce. All right, now if I take the magnets off, and then tap it. And this is the magnetic material that I ended up with. You see it there on the bottom. It's not anywhere close to, I don't think, to what I would have gathered individually. Well, I guess this will make this video a lot longer, but I guess I can use the old technique on the same dirt this time. So here's the old technique. Pour some in here. Shake it around. Okay. And put this in another container. All right then. Gotta have a container to put in. Okay, so. And you can see the ring of magnetic material I have in just that one little bit. So it doesn't work as well. This technique catches the magnetic material much better. Measure that all out. I mean, I use the magnets to get out the magnetic material. Now I'm going to measure this again. Okay, so this time it measures out 1.961. And so 0.982 is 1, 2. So 21/1000ths or 2/100ths of an ounce I got with the hand technique, and with the tube technique I've got just 7/1000ths of an ounce. So it's possible that if I were to use more magnets, more powerful magnets, I would do better with the tube technique. But it doesn't seem to work as well. And maybe also a smaller diameter tube. So those are all possibilities that I can try. I don't have those things available to me at this moment, but just thought I'd share this idea with you. It kind of worked, and maybe it can be enhanced to work just as well and therefore save time. And that's it.